but none of them from the wife now. Yeah.
Okay, this video is going to be about me showing you guys how to do eyebrows, or how I do my eyebrows. So first, I'm using a pencil this time around. I think my last video I used pomade powder. So this time I'm gonna use a pencil because a lot of people don't know how to use pencils. A lot of people don't know how to use powders. So I might as well just do one with a pencil too. I got this from the beauty supply. Doesn't have to be all expensive. It just needs to be a pencil that is your eyebrow color. If you think we have the same eyebrow color, then you need to get a dark brown. But if you have black, then get black. If you have red, get red. Whatever color your eyebrows is, get. And then for concealer, I think everybody uses the same concealer. But if you are not trying to be all expensive like me, LA Girl, which is usually $3.99, $2.99, and you get this is fine. So you get the same color that matches your skin tone, or you can get one lighter. Depends. It really depends. Like I get fawn. I use fawn, and then I use a tone lighter. I go a little lighter, so my eyebrow can pop more, like a better definition. You know. And then just need a concealer brush. This is my eyebrow powder pencil, and I use this when I'm doing my when I'm using the pencil, so I can like smooth it out or whatever. Then I use my little sponge to like blend everything together. So you want to walk around looking all retarded. So yeah, what we're gonna do is start off with my hair looking a mess. I'm always talking about my hair. I know y'all be like, this girl always talking about her hair. But okay. Oh yeah, let me tell y'all, my eyebrows are not perfect. Like, especially when I'm trying to find a whole new threading shop or waxing shop since I moved to another state. And I don't know. I know this lady, she took some of my eyebrow off, because this one is like, I know y'all see that. This one is cool. This one fine. It's cool. This one like missing up here. It's like missing, and then it's short on this. It's real short, and then this one perfectly fine. But then this was usually thicker, right? Y'all, they messed up my eyebrows. I don't even want to talk about it because I'm gonna get mad. So what I'm gonna do is start with this one, the ugly one. Okay, it doesn't matter where you start at, as long as you get it done. So I'm gonna start at the top. Just drag along. It's like you're tracing your eyebrow, basically. You're tracing it. Then you go to the bottom and you outline it. You really don't want to make your eyebrows too big. You just want to trace it and fill it in, you know. You don't want to walk around looking retarded. Then you start shading it in. And then instead of like bringing the pencil all the way up here, I use the brush to brush it, because I don't want to make it too dark, you know. So you brush your eyebrows. Just brush, y'all, brush. Brush it. This eyebrow always want to give me problems, watch. My other eyebrow, good. Okay. So you see the little bald head and stuff, you just go fill it in. Okay, you fill it in. Let me tell y'all right now, when you doing eyebrows, you're gonna always keep using your pencil. Trust me. To fill in little marks and stuff. Okay. So I start off with this one, the lighter concealer to go underneath my eyebrows. Don't ask me why, I just do it. It makes my eyebrows pop out more. It defines it. So, underneath, right here, you guys, underneath. Go underneath. Okay, you bring the concealer all the way out too. Then you keep trying to blend it in and stuff. Just keep blending it in, y'all. I really hate talking when I'm doing my eyebrows. I feel like I have to focus. But I'm trying to do it for you guys. Dang. Okay, now I go over it with the fawn that matches my skin tone, or I don't know why I can talk. That's closest to my skin tone. I go on top of it. Do the same thing. And I hate talking okay, you just blend it all together. Just blend it. Blend it. All right. So then you go on top of your eyebrow. I don't use the lighter color on top of my eyebrow because I don't want to walk around looking retarded. Cause you could blend this out, but on top, no. So I just use my skin tone, my skin color on top. I might go mute for a minute because, I told you I don't really talking. I feel like I gotta focus. And I don't like the way I talk. Okay, so now I'm trying to smooth it out with my eyebrow powder brush. This right here, love playing with me every time. It's okay. I'm definitely gonna get it together. Okay. Now I gotta fix this. Every time I'm doing a video, it seems like my eyebrows playing. Don't try to make it seem like I don't know what I'm doing now. Cause if I can't do nothing else, I definitely can get your eyebrows together, and you don't even have to have none. Trust me, when I get through with them, people gonna be like, "Oh my God." Okay. Y'all see? Yeah. Y'all see that? Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing on this side. Dude, I really do my eyebrows in like 10 minutes, but I feel like I'm struggling today. Y'all see this eyebrow? This eyebrow is perfectly fine. This eyebrow, irritating. So I'm gonna start up here. And when you're doing eyebrows, you gotta have a thick of the wrist. Cause man, your wrist would be everywhere. All types of little ways. You be like, oh my God, how did I do that? Cause I honestly don't know how I got my wrist like this. Like it's just flipping, you know? Underneath it. So you go underneath with the lighter one. Ain't no way this video should be this long. What I'm doing is if I see little areas where it don't look right, I just go fix it and stuff. Let's see. Okay, and this, you don't never want this right here, because that don't look right. Because when you do eyebrows, you want it to look as natural as possible. Even though you're going slow, but you know. So I just gotta bring this in, because let me see. Okay, now I gotta fix it like with my pencil brush. I mean, yeah, whatever. Okay, brush it out. Now I have to go back over. Okay, it's cool. Just need to be a little darker. All right. So, let's see. look ugly, man. Okay, now it's time to blend. You just gotta blend this stuff in. Just blend it. Blend.